food free langar. How it's possible? You can say, give, swear. So more and more you share and care, you'll be a new man with a new life, new vitality, the whims, vigor, vigilance, diligence, light, power, nothing will be missing in you. Everything will pour, oozing and oozing. Anandoham, anandam, brahmanandam, satyam, jnanam, anantam brahma, ekam, evam, advitiyam brahma. But you have to become a humble. In a Upanishad, this is a beautiful story of a Janushruti named a king. This king, he was knowing so many languages, including the birds' languages, the beeps' languages, Janushruti. So, one day he was in a terrace. The two birds were going. They say, so do you know we are passing through the Janushruti's kingdom? He says, yes. But because of his tapas, because of his austerity, his generosity, his power of sharing and caring, is so powerful, we cross, we'll burn. Another guy said, so his power of the share and care has become very poor. There's another guy is there. He is a Raikwa Muni, known as a Belgadi Wala. His power is more. Now it was a restlessness to the king. Oh, I am such a big guy. And who is this Gadiwala, Belwala is having so much of name and fame than me. He says, please go and find out. They were able to find it out within 10 days, 15 days. In a bullock cart standing, underneath of it, one Babaji is standing like this with the only loin cloth. Now the Janusruti is going to see this Babaji with elephants, horse, camel, chariots, young boys and girls cladded with gold, and all these celestial drums, orchestras. Maharaj, this is all for you. I am Janushruti. I would like to see you, sir. The Babaji had no interest to see him. He had elephants, horses, camel, so many things. Babaji had no interest to see. He looked here and there. Finally, he tired and went back. Then he asked his guru. The guru is very essential. Gukarandhakarascha rukaratan nirodhaka. What I am to do? He said, don't go with all this pompous and so. Have only loin cloth. Take some little flower in your hand. Do Dandvat Pranam and go. And he went there. Then the kid asked, when you want to gain something, पानी पीना है तो ऐसे करना पड़ता है. इधर अमेरिका में नहीं, क्योंकि अमेरिका में तो जो वाटर फाउंटेन है नीचे से आता है. तो nowadays in our airports also it is like this only, ऊपर से. अरे पानी का घड़ा भरना है तो नल के नीचे रख. You want to gain something, try to be humble. Very essential. Everywhere the sharing and caring. Even the Kathopanishad. The Kathopanishad. This Nachiketa's father is doing a yajna. Ushan havai vajas ravasa sarva veda samdadau tasya Nachiketa nama putras. Oh, father, what you are doing? The young boy is asking, 7 years boy. What is this? You are giving cows in charity. He had cows only. Pitodaka, Jagdatruna, Dugdaduha, Nirindriya, Ananda Namate Loka, Tansa Gachati Tadadat. Thousands of cows. Pitodaka, those who can't drink water. Jagdatruna, those who can't chew grass. Dugdadoha, those who can't give milk, the milk has been taken away. Nirindriya, now there is no more progeny. This cows you are giving in a charity. This is your sharing, this is your caring. It's a burden to someone. Please, don't do this all. You give my charity. Bahunami mi prathama, bahunami mi madhyama. Among the many places, I am the great. I am mediocre. I am not hopeless. Give. The father says, go to the Yama. And the Upanishad said, so Yama was out of station. And so there was a door outside, they say, out of station. He has to wait for 3 days, 3 nights and 3 days. When Yama came, he was shocked. Oh. Young guys, brahmachari, brahmana, vidyarthi, 3 days and 3 nights, no food, no sleep. Abba, abba, abba. He will take away my all purity of my character, my money, my santati, my sampati. So muskil baat hai bhai, kya karna chahiye? I say, sit down, I will give you 3 boons. Now here the boons he is giving. The first boon he is asking, my father was really angry. And he has asked me, go to the Yama, let him have a peace. This is what I want to ask you all, those are having a parents at home, to share and to care of them. If you can do, I think you can do something. Because I am attached to one of the old, don't say, Vradhashram in a Bhavanagar. One day I was there. We were taking very limited money. Earlier 60 rupees, now we made it 100 rupees. 1 month, 100 rupiya khali. Abhi kya hai? I telephoned to someone. Sorry to say, your father expired. ठीक है, अगला महीना पैसा नहीं भेजेंगे. Mukesh bhai, the second dialogue was even painful. Such a painful dialogue. अरे भाई पैसे के लिए नहीं पूछ रहा हूं. We have to do the last right of your dad. सबका करता हो वैसे करो ना, अभी क्या है दिमाग खराब करते हो, छोड़ दो. Think this understanding to share and care from the Prahlada. Prahlada was thrown in the fire. Prahlada was knocked out. He was thrown from the mountain, thrown in the middle of the snakes. He was tortured like anything. I mean, Nrsimha came out. Then the Prahlada is asking a boon. Because the Nrsimha says, what boon you want? My father, unfortunate ignorance, he said so, that you have killed his brother. Please forgive him. After so much of torture also, the Prahlada says, ask my father to forgive. Can you ask this? To share and care, you have to develop a tolerance. Very essential. We have lost the tolerance at all. Why people are making a suicide? In a small matters. This Karwa Chauth. I was in a Ludhiana. One angel ma'am telephoned to me, crying and crying. I say, you should stop crying, then talk to me. I am not able to gain. Tusi ki kehende ho Braji, daso mainu. My puja ka thali, my mother-in-law is sent with a servant. I say, where do you stay? Up in the building. Where she says, down in the building. How the puja thali went from up to down. मैंने अपना बिटिया के साथ भेजी थी. Can't she go down and give in the hand of the sasu? And touch her feet? Me? Touching my sas's feet? My foot? And you want a blessing? You are the key. You are the problem. You are the solution. The more and more you want to share and care, it's a Vishwam Darpana Drishyamana Nagari. The whole world is like a mirror. You give a smile, the smile will come, and you meet a few and frame, it will be reflected to you. Enjoy the serenity and divinity. Enjoy that immortality, peace and harmony by sharing the best what you can give. When you want to give something, today I was in Yajna, in one of the very reputed person's house. He was very keen and particular, Swamiji. 3 months before he has asked. So from airport, I went first to doctor to see the doctor was having a problem because of the daughter is being suffocated by senior people. Then I said, I'll come and see you. Then I went to this yajna. They have given a Brahmana the beautiful dhoti. All Brahmanas, 16, same kurta, same this. And good dakshina. Satyanarayana ki supari, 25 rupiya kilo. हमारा खाने के लिए 250 रुपया किलो. That's not what. When you want to give someone, give the best. What the best thing you can give? Try to give the best. And as I have told you, think today is the last day of my life. Try to do the best. Make people laugh. Make people laugh. One day I was in a Dehradun to see my master. I was coming from Uttarkashi. My master said, so for many days doctor is asking me to walk. I don't feel strong, but you like walking. Let us walk today. So holding my shoulder, he made one big circle of the bungalow where he was staying. I told Swamiji, you are tired, please sit down. We may meet next time or not. You must realize that last meeting of yours with me was a blissful. Swamiji, please sit down. Then I started shampooing his feet. I told Swamiji, I can do little Adhyatmananji. Anyone touches to my body, I feel so much of burning. Half an hour I am doing shampooing your feet, but it gives you happiness or not? Then he asked me, have you seen a film Anand? I told no. When you go back to Ahmedabad, get this film and see it. I have seen. And Swamiji narrated me a story. He said, Rajesh Khanna is a patient of cancer. Amitabh Bachchan is a doctor. And the cancer patient is aware of it that I am dying. But he kept on laughing and give everyone happiness and happiness and happiness. What's the secret? That be happy and share your happiness. Don't cry. Don't make other cry. And never forget the God. These are the principal things will help you to the share and care. Unless until we know the real heart of the subject, is not everything will become a surplus. A puja ki thali ka jaisa. A mehndi lagane ka 500 rupiya. और गिन्नी के लिए 12 गिन्नी दे दिया. What is this Karwa Chauth finally? अरे Musalman people, they are fasting for full 30 days without any lam. और तुम्हारा एक फास्ट करने के लिए इतना बम करता है. Then they were asking me, Swamiji, what is your explanation of this Karwa Chauth? I say, one day is a fasting and 364 days is fighting. That is all Karwa Chauth. No, you can't do anything. Are you loyal to your husband? Are you committed to your husband? This is all. You see, the other man said, so Swamiji, how long you will be staying? Why? I would like to take to you to my kitty party. I say, what? I will arrange your talk. Then I told, what is this kitty party? Then husband said, Swamiji, I will tell you. Kitty party is a group of people, especially the women, they sit there, they meet there for an idle gossiping or a scandal backbitings. Nothing else there. So, but one day in kitty party it so happened that everyone was quiet, no movement, peaceful, everyone there food and going away. Manager was so restless. किसी ने हंसा नहीं, किसी को कुछ जोक नहीं सुनाया, कुछ बोला नहीं, चुपचाप खा लिया. Is something wrong? So he went to the elderly person, the leader lady. Madam, everything is all right? All right. कुछ गड़बड़ है? नहीं है. But there is no laughing, there is no joking, there is no shouting, there is no screaming. What's the matter? आज हमारा 100% attendance है. What do you mean? अरे कोई एब्सेंट रहे तो उसका पूंछ काटे भाई. This sharing and caring is not this. Sharing and caring to dive deep in the recesses of the heart. You go and dive deep in the heart without any hypocrisy. One of the very reputed institution. I go and visit since 1974 every year. The director was very vibrant. Director's wife was super vibrant. And she will do all these things. She will take number of decisions without director's permission. And director to accept it. There was a huge big launch. Indira ji used to come, Vivi Giri used to come, the air chief will come. IS people used to take a training over there. A big launch. And the madam brought a very big wall cloth. And she had a great liking. How do you find this? You see, my husband was going, buy a small aircraft to Delhi. And I had nothing to do. He asked me, Aruna, you want to go? I said, no. So we went over there, and you see the corner place, bloody was asking 50,000. I said, nothing doing. I brought in 35,000. How do you find it? The old ladies will say, hi Aruna ji, so nice, so lucky. Your husband is so good. And my to khadus hai, kahi bolta, Dehradun jane par bhi bolta nahi. So only 35,000? I don't believe. Everyone will say, when Aruna is not in the scene, बड़ी बनती है 35,000 की, 3500 का भी नहीं होगा, चिक चिक देगा. This is your sharing, this is your caring, all hypocrisy. Come down out of this cocoon. When you want to share, when you care, then we have transparency in the life, total purity. Stand in the firm ground of the purity. You will shine, you will prosper, you will abide in the beatitude of the eternal, unfading beauty of the self. It is your birthright. Birthright is, earlier it was told that Swaraj Masa Janma Siddha Hak Ahe. Or you should say, share and care, and to realize the absolute, through sharing, caring, is my real birth is there. If you can do like this, then whole world is there. Realization the absolute is not in the seventh heaven. The whole heaven is here only. All beatitude is here only. The gods are here. The goddesses are here. Everything is here. But how you can do? It is just try to be a honest. Repeat with me. Be true to thy own self. Be true to thy own self. Be true to thy own self. We are not truthful to our own self. Arey, go and stand in front of a mirror when no one is there. Quietly go and stay. And when you see your own reflection, ask, how do you find me? You must be thinking, you say you are a chum. No, the reflection say you are a bum. Because the reflection is knowing that you are like this. Arey, parda hat gaya to bhed khul jayega, Allah meri toba. So don't cover. Open yourself. Open your heart. Open your being. Open your by all means. And then more and more you will see that when you ooze with a total purity, the divinity will come there. Divinity is not coming from Kashi and Mathura and Ayodhya. No. You are all divine, born divine. You are all born incarnated. Always feel, I am walking in the light. I am walking in the light. I am walking in the light. In the light. In the light. In the light of God, in the light of Lord. More and more you think, I'm walking in the light, then you see everywhere light. There's no darkness. Then you feel like loving all. Loving is not a physical hugging and all. No, that's not love. Love is to love the smallest guy. Very, very essentially. I always ask, bhai humko mala mat dalo. Kyun? Because mala contains so many insects. Very carefully I have to take them to the बड़ा मुश्किल है, share and care. I will tell you something very interesting thing. We had a very bad earthquake in Uttarkashi. It was morning 2:55, something like that. My master Swami Chidananji Maharaj, 4 o'clock he came to my kutir. Adhyatam? Yes, Swamiji. Are you all right? Yes, Swamiji. Do you know there was earthquake? Yes, Swamiji. How? I said, all books have fallen down. I'm putting them in order. It is beyond Uttarkashi. Do you think you can go for the rescue operation? Yes, Swamiji. When? Just now. All books I kept it on my back, wrapped and kept. Let us go. We were the first people to go there, 5 persons. We made a movie. 2 of us, we stayed back. 3 came down. I made a big list. Whatever you need, everything small. So rai, methi, dhana, jiru, tuvar dal, mag dal, everything. Then ladies' clothes, children clothes, men's clothes, teen shed, everything. And I've written, God has come to us in this form. But the best we can do, we should try to do it. You will find next day evening, 30 people came to help us out with a 3 big truck full of things. Whatever I've written, everything was checked. But their BD was there. Swamiji did a BD, 2 ton. Gadwali can stay without mom or a dad or a children or a wife. He cannot stay with a bidi. Share and carry is what? You should try to understand. When you invite a jackal, you can't ask him to have a food from the surai. And when you invite a crane, you can't ask him to eat in a plate. Unfortunately, we have lost this guy, Iran, a Shah of Iran. If Morarji Kaka invites him, he has to be given XXX Black Bull champagne only, not the Shivambu. You must know what you are sharing with them, what you are carrying with them. You must know to whom to give what. It's very essential. One day we were coming from a Haridwar, chill cold, raining. Driver, Ramswarup, Bada Swamiji, and 3 monks at the back. In the dark pitch night, in a rainy and cold night, one old man with a lady was standing, they were waving hand. Swami says, Gadi roko. The Ramswarup Swamiji's sevak says, Gadi mein jagah kahan hai? Dil mein chahiye, gadi mein ho jayegi, tum piche baitho. Swamiji moved to the driver. He made the old man to sit, and the lady also. Gadwalis, they change their clothes twice a year. And the clothes are drenched, a stinking smell comes. Swamiji is coolly sitting there and asking his helper, Babaji, why you are standing in this cold, chill night and rainy evening? Maharajji, my wife is not keeping well. I kept on asking, they were not giving reply, so I have come personally to take my daughter. Oh, where do you stay? Rikikesh. They say Rikikesh. Okay, kaha? Fala mandir mein. We went to their house. You can't walk straight, you have to bend down and then go. And then Swamiji has seen his eyes and talked. And then Swamiji went directly to the hospital, seeing the doctor, giving the explanation, suggested some medicine, and said, better you take some medicine of your own choice also, and go there. Every day Swamiji is sending some almonds, milk, biscuit, proteins. For what? Not for the gentlemen and ladies. No. One day he went for a walk. He found a very stray dog was injured. Swamiji came back to the hospital, asking a doctor, there is a patient for you, a dog. The doctor said, so I can treat a human being, not a dog. But at least you are a doctor. So you went there. Swamiji is a stranger. Avara dog hai, usko koi nahi. He didn't wait it. Torn out his cloth and tying the dog's neck. Bolo, Swami Chidanji ka kutta hai. Every day you can think like this. Swamiji was in a Surendra Nagar. And a staircase was there. Underneath of the bitches given a pups. So after taking a tea and biscuit, Swamiji got some biscuits, giving them. The pitch was not seeing it. Was smelling and eating. It seems the pitch is blind. Doctor also said, yes, we were there to do opening of the eye camp. So Swamiji said, why can't we start operating this particular dog's eyes? Doctor said, I can operate human beings' eyes, not the dog's eyes. So every day Swamiji will ask, morning, midday, evening, whether that dog's eyes been operated or not. 10 days of our Saurashtra Gujarat tour, I have to telephone. In those days, telephone was so difficult. But can you think of the last person? One day I found in ashram's annual function, Swamiji is yawning, sitting like this. I asked his sevak, why Swamiji is like this? The Indian say, khana nahi khaya. I don't know what's the matter. Then I asked, Maharajji, is there any problem? He came out. What Mukesh Bhai said, I got so much of love for the plant. He's all lobby heading, so more than 200 plants, so much beautiful plants. I am the head here in the institution, Adhyatmanandji. Since 10 days, no water has been given to them. What I can do? It is his jurisdiction. He's got 10 assistants. No one has got time. Ashram is crowded with people in program from morning 4 to night 12. How one can think of the giving? We don't have a time to eat our food. I didn't make any argument. I have given a water to the plants and I brought water for them. When you can think. How much you can think. One day we went to the Ramakrishna Seth's house in a Thana. Small little house. Small person. So poor man, he put all efforts of cleaning the things. And then when we arrived, there was a process of a dead cockroach. All ants were carrying. So Swamiji stepped there. He asked me, Adhyatam, yes Swamiji, you have got a razor blade. On those days, these 2, 3 were not there, only topaz was there. So I have given this. Swamiji made blowing out all this, so many ants. Slowly put one postcard underneath of the cockroach. Swamiji made a small, small pieces of the cockroach. He says, अभी चींटी लोगों को इसको ले जाने में सुविधा होगा. You want me to say share and care? I can't see anything other than my master. He was an embodiment who can think. One side, Prime Minister comes or a President of India comes, but at that time only, if the 2 lepers comes from Lakshman Jhula, Hanji, he will sit down on the road and talk to them. To them, the lepers has got more value. The President